Hello everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft video. In today's video we are gonna do another command tutorial about the /Tellraw command. The /Tellraw command allows you to put messages in chat. So if I do /say hi, you can see that has my username there, which is modified because I did a team tutorial a while back. That's in the icon above. You should go watch it. Timer in the corner there too. So my previous video about how to make a timer with data packs or command blocks. But if we /tell, you can see that I'll just put it in chat with no user signature, anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to use it. If you just want to put text in chat, I'm also going to show you how to use the website Minecraft JSON.com to make more complicated Tellraw commands. So yeah, let's go! Right, so the base Tellraw command, if you just want to put a message that looks like a player message, just without the player there. So /Tellraw, then here you can select who you want to see a message. So you can do a single player, only a self, nearest player, random player, all players, and then you can specify like this. So we can do, let's say, game mode, creative, end bracket, and then inside quotes here you put your message, hello, end quote. So you can see I see hello, but if I'm in survival mode, it says no player was found because there was no players in survival mode. The bunch of other identifications here that are available for whenever you want to select an entity. So like team, sort, tag, scores. Yeah, there's lots of selection options. But yeah, so you select who you want to see it, then inside quotation marks put your message. That'll just put that message in chat like a default player message would. But let's say you want to color it. In that case, we get rid of the quotation marks and put this syntax. So we have this weird color bracket, quote, text, quote, colon, quote, message here, quote, and then comma, quote, color, quote, colon, quote, and then here you can put your color. So we want red. There we go. Or dark red. Or what if we just want dark blue? So yeah, you can use any of the default Minecraft colors there. Yeah. That's the general gist of /Tellraw. We put in, let's say, repeating, always active, Tellraw dash subscribe, and so now you can see that goes always repeating. If you put in a repeating command block, yeah, it's basically just a fancy chat message. But what if we want to do more? What if we want to make different lines with different chat colors? What if we want to put in custom fonts? What if we want to make other things like different, like border it, underline it? Well, for that you can use the same syntax that I used here, but it gets more complicated, and I recommend you just use a website called MinecraftJSON.com. Minecraft JSON.com. So if we go to that website will be linked in the description below. And let's hop over there now. So here we are on Minecraft JSON.com. So now you can see here we have the option for a basic Tellraw command, a screen overlay, a sign, or a book. So basic Tellraw is what we're going to use. But here we have the base command, which we can edit how we want it to be outputted. You can do @p. You can change the identifiers here. So just do @a. Don't change this because that's where it puts the message. So there. And now you can choose your version here. Let's go to 19. You can change the preview background colors. You can export your message and then you can re-import it if you're going to reset your computer but don't want to lose the message, or something like that. And then here's where you copy and paste your command. But right now we want to, and then this will reset everything. That's basically it, but then there's the add text, which is how we do what we want to do. So you can add a basic text, a selector, which allows you to select, like, let's say a player, a scoreboard number. So, like, in my last video, I made a timer clock. So you could use this to put the seconds and minutes in your message. NBT storage, keybind, this is a button. So you let's say you want to make it so that if you right click, or you want to give instructions, right? So you want to say right click or spacebar to jump. But you can change those in the controls. So this will go to whatever the player's control for that is. And then line break, which allows you to move down a line. So let's say text. And here let's put hello, period, space. And now we can make it color whatever we want, or we can customize it there. But you know what, let's make a gray color. There's our preview. If we bold and italic it, or let's, instead of italicing it, underline it, or we could this makes it doesn't appear in the preview, but this, if I save to put in the command and then put this in chat, you can see that there. And then let's make it board. Then custom font. Here you can change the location for your font. Minecraft default is the base one. Minecraft also has some base I believe there's only 2 other default fonts. You can also make custom fonts as resource packs, but usually you won't want to change this, so we can just ignore that. Click event allows you to open a URL, like a website. Allows you to copy a website. Suggest the command, which is basically, so let's say we click on it and then it puts this in chat, or we can make it just and then have an event. We can show an entity ID, text, or items. So let's say that we want this, and when we click event, we want to suggest command to let's say /Tellraw @a. You clicked on the message. So, and then as a header event, let's just show text, and then you can basically create another mini Tellraw message in here. So let's make one, and then let's make it orange, underlined, and illustrated. No, let's say you hovered. And then add another one. Let's make this a keybind. So let's do key, save toolbar activator. And let's strike through it. And then on the message. Cool. So now when we hover, it'll say you hovered, and then whatever your save your hop. That's a weird one. Let's do something else. Let's say inventory. So now it'll show whatever key it is to activate your inventory. Then it'll say you hovered on the message, and then it'll show whatever your base key to open your inventory is. And then let's save. So let's see what happens if we put this in Minecraft. Oh, now you've copied the command and you want to put it in chat. Oh no, why is it red? Well, that's because it's too long for the chat and you have to put it in a command block. Let's paste that in a command block, and there's a message. So if we hover over it, it says you hovered on the message. Then if we click it, it prompts this command. But keybind isn't working, so let's see. Let's delete that. Create another one. This is a keybind, right? Yeah. And let's do key dot attack this time. And then let's make it black. And done. So now let's try this. Put this in our command block. Did that fix it? No. Oh, yep. Yes, it did. It's black, so it's hard to see. But it says left button there, because that is my default attack button. Attack/mine button. But of course you can change this in controls. But that's just one part. But we can do so much more with this. So guess let's head back into Minecraft JSON. So here we are back in Minecraft JSON. So let's add a scoreboard objective for the player. Say myself. What? No. Let's go with minute, and then on the objective, I believe it's called timer. So this will, and let's make this, green, underlined. So now it'll show the score for the player timer on the minute score, which is from my previous video, again, on timers. Go check it out there. Now we can add a line break. So now if we make a new text, hi, then let's make it like that in purple. It's down a line, and if we add another one, move it up, it's down another line. And then we can add another text element and say hello again, because I don't know what to put. Let's stick through that. Then let's put a space here. And then, so if we move the space over so it's not like that. Okay. Cool. Now, we have that message. So if we put that now a command block. Hello again. 13. Because as you can see on the scoreboard in the corner, the minute is 13. Hello, you have put on the message. Hello again, and then it's all obfuscated like that. But if we scoreboard players set min on timer to 20. Now you can see that if I run the command again, that it is 21 because it just, the second just ticked over. But yeah, so that'll update for the score. We have selectors, which is probably going to be our last element, and then I'll show you a example for how a Tellraw command could be used to make an NPC talk. But for selectors, so selector is basically like if it says at E at A, so if we go into Minecraft and /Tellraw, so we can do mules to at self, random player, nearest player, all entities, and all players. These are selectors. And then inside here, so we can say do at A, which will make it list all the players' names that are in survival. Let's put this selector in. So, and you know what? Let's board it and make it light green. And let's add a line break. So this message doesn't really say anything. It's just an example. If we go back into Minecraft and to this command block, bing, there's our message. And of course, I am not in survival, so that's not gonna work. If you click the button, okay, now you can see that there is my name because I am in survival, and if I'm in creative, I won't put my name there, but let's remove the team prefix. So again, watch my team tutorial to see about prefixes and suffixes. So now if we click it, so there you see it says Mules 2, and then we can make it list all players in a row, only a specific player, but doing at P will list the closest player and use the name. But I think I think I've displayed almost everything. Let's see an example of how this can be used. So, I am back from copying over the command, and it is in that command block. Hit this button, it'll show the message. So you can see here, it's from John Dean. Greetings, famed investigator Mules 2, and this will be whatever the player's name is. And inside the game, I have a team set up that makes all players' names gourd, similar to John Dean's here. So that it'll show as gourd, and then my name is John Dean. I am the founder and CEO of Mega Mine Industries. That's about it for today's video. Again, links for MinecraftJSON.com are in the description. Yeah, I think that's about it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next Minecraft video. Goodbye!